If you're using Xero to manage your accounting or do your invoicing, you can now integrate it with Caflou to manage your cash flow or to manage your business. What you can automatically import to Caflou is your contacts and your invoices and bills. If you go to the account settings connector, here you can create a new connector to Xero. Here you click connect. The system will ask you to authenticate, and now you're connected. Now you can set up what you want to import into Caflou from Xero. So you can import companies, only new ones, or if there's an update, also the update. If you want to import incomes, which are invoices in Xero, expenses, which are bills in Xero, and you can also select if you want to import only invoices and bills from certain date onwards. You can also select this, and if you do this, the system will check automatically once or twice a day if there's new objects, new companies, new invoices, new bills, and it will automatically import data into Caflou. You can also export data from Caflou to Xero. So if you are creating invoices or pro formas in Caflou, you can also select to export data from Caflou to Xero automatically. So it's up to you, and it can go both ways. Now I can click save. You see here's a connector created, and I can always refresh it manually, or I can wait until the system will check automatically once or twice a day. If I click refresh, the system will start looking for updates, and it will let you know if there's anything new, and if anything got sent either to Xero or to Caflou from Xero.